Volunteer Week in Alberta. I would hope, given the enormous workload that carried by volunteer-driven agencies in Alberta, that there would be the sound of knees hitting the floor as their owners engage in fervent prayers of thanks to volunteers, particularly government knees, as this sector provides so many of the services that government used to provide and makes our cities and towns livable, creative, helping and caring. Volunteering has changed so much in the last several decades. More families volunteer together. Seniors put in an enormous amount of volunteer hours, and in some cases, students volunteer for class credit. One thing is for sure, people have less time and want their volunteer experience to be both meaningful and also beneficial to the recipient and to themselves. I remember a well-known businessman who reflected on his volunteer experience. He wanted to do something different, different from what he did every day. He wanted to get his hands dirty, to paint sets or pound nails, but he was immediately put on the board. He duly gave his well-informed input, but left the board after only a year because he was never given the opportunity to do what he wanted to do. Recruiting, orienting, training, retaining today's volunteers is complex and challenging, but what the volunteer gets out of the experience is just as important as what they give. So, government, pay attention. The Volunteer Centre of Camrose is closing on June 30th this year. Sector colleagues say this is a well-run and valued organization. So what's wrong? Well, a couple of things. One is the loss of funding pools. Prior to 2009, volunteer agencies could access several different grant programs to fund different aspects. Now there's only one SIP, and there's a competition for dollars. Two is the emphasis on quantity, not quality, and that has a particular impact on rural centres. Organizations are judged by outputs rather than outcomes. And third is the insistence that organizations' eligibility is based on how much money they raise. So this week and all weeks, a shout out to volunteers, volunteer centres, and all the benefit we receive as Albertans. My profound thanks.